everyone, welcome to my channel. Come on in, let's get started. So today, first of all, we're gonna welcome all the sounds of nature. I'm sitting on my porch doing a voiceover, but we're gonna hear dogs bark and cats meow, but let's embrace it all. But we're gonna work on a clothesline rug, so let's begin. This is the fabric yarn that I use. It's called fabric yarn because I got it out of the knitting section. You can knit with it or crochet. It is 75 yards of 100% cotton, and I got it at Hobby Lobby. The regular price was $6.99 and I bought it for $1.74. This Peacock brand, every time you buy something, a donation goes toward the prevention of human trafficking. So, why is the price so low? I don't know. But it is what it is. So, I begin with my bobbin thread with embroidery thread. This is the Walmart's brand Clothesline Rug, and I believe it is 50 or 100 feet of rope. This is the fabric yarn and it is about 3/4 inches wide. I cut small sections of that, like 36 inches, to wrap around the rope. I love the colors of the green and the teal. I'm just going to let you know, when I did wash this, some of the color did come out, but it still looks nice. I am using invisible thread in my bobbin. It's 5 and the stitch length is 2. I always mess up on that, but it's part of life. So let us begin. We're going to start to wrap our fabric around the rope. And as you can see, you need some help. You need somebody else to hold some portion of this, because it just gets awkward. There's no way you can be efficient to wrap this without some help. So I have a trick, a little tip for you to do that's going to help you out here. You can put it under your sewing machine. You can put your needle in and put your sewing machine foot down and continue to wrap, and there you have help. As you wrap and you're overlapping this fabric and you're making it taut enough to give it some stability and decoration. Now you can wrap until the end of this fabric ends, or you can put a clip where it ends and continue to wrap. Now I did make my middle section 20 inches long, but I did fold it in half, so we would say 10 inches long, and began to sew. I am on my first round, and as you sew, you will see how easy it is. You want to keep your presser foot, you want to keep that middle part right in between as you zig and zag, so that you can make sure to secure your rug and it stays together. And like I said, we are on the front porch and we're enjoying the beautiful sounds of life. Life still happens around us, and I want to embrace all the sounds around me. That's what my channel is about. Omzar's Calm. Just being calm and enjoying every part of life. So I do not have the video of this, but once my rope ended, I bunted together another portion of rope that I need. I took tape and wrapped it around to secure the two ends, and then wrapped it again with the fabric yarn. Now, you can make this rug as large as or as wide as you like to. Mine's came to be about 20 by 28 and a half, and on the left side you may need to prop up some books so that it'll remain level as you make your rounds as the rug gets bigger. And here you go. We are finished. Doesn't it look nice? The outer rings, you can see more clearly where I used the invisible thread. You can see how I ended. I just ended by leaving that portion and zigzagging it in. In the middle, you can see that I used the embroidery thread. I just wanted to get an idea of how each one look. Which one do you like? Can you tell? Can you even tell? It is so beautiful. It's very comfortable to step on. It's very durable. So I hope that you guys decide to make a clothesline rug. If you can't find the clothesline rope in Walmart, check out some of your local 99-cent stores and use some of that rope. And I just want to show you how it looks. This is after many months of having this, and I washed it because I wanted to see how it would wash up. I did lose some coloring. The video that I took doesn't justify the color because of, I guess, the lighting situation, but it's fine. It's very durable. You can see the size here. The edges did curl up, but once it is dried, it does lay flat. So I really did enjoy making this, and I hope that you take some time to make a clothesline rug and enjoy the beautiful sounds of life that's happening around you, and embrace it. Embrace your life. And I want to thank my subscribers for getting me to 2,000 and over subscribers. I really appreciate that. And I want to give my prayers out to all those who are affected by the coronavirus. Know that my prayers go out to everyone and families and loved ones. So enjoy your time. Be aware of all of your surroundings, all the sounds you hear, because you know why? You're alive. And I give thanks to that, and I thank you for joining my channel. On Zara's Calm, you can still be calm and create. You can still be calm and allow the sounds of life to be a part of your calmness. Enjoy.